you're looking for digital brushes to write Arabic calligraphy in the Kufic Muraba Script on a software called Procreate, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Here's a demo of me writing in the Kufic Muraba script using the iPad Pro with the digital brushes I created. This video is to give you a feel of how the brushes write before you go ahead and purchase them from our website. I created a similar demo like this in November for the Nasta'liq Farsi brushes and worksheets for Procreate, so do check them out. If you want to write like this, I will be making a video on 3 ways to write in the Kufic Muraba script on Procreate, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I'm working really hard to provide Procreate worksheets for this script, as I've been requested by many through email. Also, I'm working on an e-workbook, so you can draw these calligraphy shapes by hand using pen and paper. Inshallah, this will be all done by mid-February. I'm going to stop talking now and let you sit back and enjoy the rest of this demo. I really hope you enjoyed this demo. Just wanted to let you know before you leave, I have created a Facebook group for you guys to learn Arabic calligraphy both traditionally and digitally. So make sure to join our small community. I'll leave the link in the description below. Please like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't done so already, check out the other videos I have on this channel. I'm sure they'll bring you some value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.